Hello everyone, and welcome to On Frame Channel, the place where we uncover how our daily tools are made. The Toyota RAV4, one of Toyota's most popular models, is manufactured in several factories worldwide, including Toyota's Woodstock plant in Ontario, Canada. This factory plays a crucial role in Toyota's global manufacturing network, focusing on efficiency and quality. Here's a detailed breakdown of the fabrication process of the Toyota RAV4 in the Woodstock factory. 1. Steel stamping and body shop. The first major step in building the RAV4 is transforming raw steel into the car's body panels. Raw steel coil delivery. Large rolls of steel, supplied by regional steel manufacturers, arrive at the plant. These steel sheets will form the body, doors, hood, and other critical components of the RAV4. Stamping process. The steel sheets are fed into massive stamping presses, which are computer-controlled and programmed to stamp out the necessary parts. These presses can apply tons of pressure to shape the steel into precise designs. Toyota uses high-strength steel for parts like the roof, floor, and pillars to meet safety standards and reduce the vehicle's overall weight. Quality checks. After stamping, the parts undergo automatic and manual quality inspections to ensure that each part meets Toyota's precise tolerances. Any defects are identified and corrected. Two, body assembly. Once the stamped parts are ready, they move to the body shop, where the vehicle's frame begins to take shape. Robotic welding. Highly automated robots are used to weld the stamped panels together, forming the car's skeletal structure. The RAV4's unibody design requires high-precision welding to ensure structural integrity. Various components, including side panels, roof panels, and the underbody, are joined together using spot welding. Different welding techniques like laser welding are also used for specific areas requiring extreme precision. Assembly line robotics. Robotics plays a significant role in the Woodstock plant, allowing for consistency, high productivity, and reducing human error. These robots are programmed to assemble the body with incredible precision. Manual inspections. Despite the automation, human workers perform visual inspections to catch imperfections that machines may overlook. Three, painting. Once the body shell is completed, it is sent to the paint shop, where the vehicle undergoes a rigorous multi-stage painting process. Pre-treatment and e-coating. Before applying paint, the entire body undergoes a pre-treatment process, where it is cleaned, degreased, and submerged in an anti-corrosion electrocoating e-coating bath. This ensures that the vehicle is protected against rust and corrosion. Base coat application. After the pre-treatment, the vehicle is dried and prepped for the base coat, which gives the RAV4 its final color. The Woodstock plant uses a combination of robots and highly skilled painters to apply the base coat evenly across the vehicle. Clear coat and baking. A final clear coat is applied to protect the base coat and add a glossy finish. The painted body then goes through an oven where the paint is baked and cured, ensuring a durable finish. Quality check. The painted vehicles undergo a meticulous inspection, both by automated systems and human quality control inspectors, to ensure a flawless finish. For interior and exterior assembly. After the painting process, the vehicle shell is transferred to the assembly line, where interior components, electronics, and exterior finishes are installed. Dashboards and seats. Workers fit the dashboard, seats, and other interior components. These components arrive at the Woodstock plant from various suppliers, and each is inspected for quality before installation. Doors, windows, and seals. The doors, windows, and weather seals are installed. This part of the assembly is highly detailed, as proper sealing is necessary to ensure that the RAV4 is weatherproof and quiet inside. Wiring and electronics. The vehicle's wiring harness, which links the car's electrical systems, is installed. This includes electronics for the RAV4's infotainment system, safety features such as airbags and sensors, and lighting. The wiring harness is complex, as it includes the cabling for power windows, locks, sensors, and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. Final exterior components. Components like the grille, bumpers, side mirrors, and headlights are attached in this phase. Five, engine and drivetrain installation. The engine, transmission, and drivetrain components are installed in parallel processes for efficiency. Engine assembly. The RAV4's engines are typically built at other Toyota facilities, then shipped to Woodstock for installation. Workers fit the engine into the chassis using precision machinery to ensure that it is seated correctly. Transmission and suspension. The transmission, along with front and rear suspensions, is mounted into place. Technicians use specialized tools to bolt these components securely. All-wheel drive, a WD system. If the vehicle is an Airborne model, the necessary drivetrain components are added, including the rear differential and drive shafts. Six, final assembly. In this phase, the RAV4 begins to resemble a completed vehicle. Wheels and tires. The wheels and tires are fitted onto the vehicle. Robots assist with the lifting and alignment of the tires, while technicians ensure that they meet precise alignment specifications. Fluids. All necessary fluids, including engine oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, and coolant, are added. Exhaust system. The exhaust system is mounted, and technicians ensure that it is securely fastened to reduce noise and comply with emission standards. Final touches. The final steps include installing accessories, badges, and the vehicle's Toyota emblem. Seven, quality control and testing. Toyota's commitment to quality is one of the reasons the RAV4 is known for its reliability. Before any RAV4 leaves the Woodstock plant, it undergoes extensive quality control testing. Visual inspection. Trained inspectors check for any imperfections in paint, alignment, and assembly. They use advanced tools to measure panel gaps and verify that all components are installed to Toyota's exacting standards. Road testing. Each RAV4 is driven on a test track to ensure that it performs as expected. This includes testing the engine, brakes, suspension, and steering. Any anomalies are reported, and the vehicle is taken off the line for further inspection and correction. Water leak test. The vehicle is placed in a chamber that simulates heavy rain to ensure that there are no leaks in the body, windows, or seals. Emissions and electrical testing. Toyota uses sophisticated diagnostic tools to check that the vehicle's emission systems are working properly and that all electrical components, including lights and sensors, are functioning correctly.